Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another unboxing and flip through. Today we're looking at the Crystal Power Tarot by Jayne Wallace and it's illustrated by Roberta Orpwood. This is 78 cards and a 64-page illustrated book. This is on the less expensive end of tarot purchase. This is retailing for $18.95, although you can get it for a little bit cheaper. I think this I purchased for $15.99. So super inexpensive, and it looks like it is packed with some information here, which is exciting. This is published by Kiko Books. So it says, take the tarot beyond divination into the magical realm of self-empowerment with this beautiful 78 card deck, which is infused with the wisdom of crystals. Featuring more than 30 stunning stones, every tarot card depicts a lavish artist-commissioned tarot image and features an empowerment affirmation. The book includes interpretations for all the cards, plus the properties of their crystals, and shows how to lay the cards out for a reading. From relationship advice to career guidance, this unique crystal tarot illuminates what's important to you now and gives you the means to make your wishes come true. So I'm excited. Let's tuck into it. So it comes apart on the side here, boom. And then inside we have the card deck and the book. So I do enjoy the style of this kind of packaging just because it's really straightforward and easy to pack everything away in. So let's just take a look real fast at this book and look, it's color pages. Awesome. Okay. So the contents, we have the cards and the crystals, working with affirmations, how to prepare for a reading, and how to choose your cards. Wow. Then we have a lot of spreads and then the card meanings. So real fast, let's see. Each of the 22 major Arcana cards presents an empowerment crystal. You'll find the card description and meaning along with the crystal and its properties. Also included are the chakras or energy centers that the crystals relate to on the body. That's cool. This relationship expresses which aspects of the self these crystals may benefit. For example, the card Empress takes rhodonite, which relates to the heart chakra. Rhodonite helps emotional healing and brings love and compassion. The Sun card has its crystal Sunstone, which is linked to 2 chakras, the solar plexus for vitality and optimism, and the sacral chakra for passion and creativity. These crystals embody the optimistic message of the card. When you focus on the on the crystal within the card, you can tune into the positive energy that crystals hold. All right, for the 56 minor Arcana cards, we have a total of 8 crystals with 2 crystals per suit. As the Tower card has 2 crystals assigned to it, this gives a total of 38 magical crystals shown across the deck, all of which have been specifically selected to connect you with the magical energies of healing, empowerment, protection, love, luck, and joy. Each of these 78 cards comes with a power message or affirmation. You can say these affirmations while holding the card to activate the positive qualities of the crystals shown. Say the affirmations silently or aloud as you connect with the crystal's healing and empowerment energy. All right. So this is pretty exciting. So we have the 1 card reading, the question and answer, past, present, future, light the way, wish upon a crystal. Wow. And then we have the chakra crystal reading. And then it goes into the meanings of the cards, which after we flip through, we'll shuffle, we'll pick a card, and then we'll see how it will be read in the book. All right, let's get into it. It's sticking to me. Okay, so the back. Ooh, look at the back of that. You can see the reflection of my bigger ring light that I just got. So that's exciting. It's gloss, but it's beautiful. Okay. So wow, with the Fool, look at how many you have here. You have the whole chakra represented. If it'll focus, there we go. Very interesting. And it's all like watercolory. I love it. So this says, I am guided and protected on my life journey. I love it. So they are a little bit thinner. Again, keep in mind the price point. So I don't think we're going to have an issue with the thinness of the cards. However, just keep that in mind. Gorgeous. Wow, these really are beautiful. Look at that. These are beautiful illustrations for sure. I love it. I do really enjoy the fact that they have a corresponding crystal, because a lot of us love to work with crystals as well. And then it just is that little something extra. And then the affirmations are great too. And for a beginner, I think this will be great for those beginners out there as well, because it really does help with the meaning of the card. You know, it gives you a little bit more insight as well. These are beautiful. For $18.95? Yeah, I'm all right with this. Stunningly gorgeous. I love like the watercolory type of feel going on here. Look at that. So not a scary devil card either. This would be great for if you do readings for clients as well. It gives them a little something extra. And it's more positive feeling. Beautiful. Okay, so that was the major. Let's take a look at the minor here. So we will have less of a scene going on with these. It's quite common with this style of tarot, which for a beginner, it might be a little harder to learn when there's not something to use your intuition with, but you have the little affirmation here as well that could help you out. And we'll take a look at the guidebook to see how it will read. So I'm going to go a little bit quicker through these just because there's not much to really look at. Okay, and then we have the page, the knight, queen, she is on the cover, king. Okay, beautiful. And we have the cups. I am not mad at this deck at all. I think it's actually quite creative. And if you also are one that likes to work with chakras as well as your tarot, this would be fantastic. So I'll go a little bit quicker until we reach the court cards. This really is beautiful. I don't have any complaints. I am my own anchor. That's beautiful. I love the different prominent background colors too. That's fantastic. So I'm going a little fast again because there's not much to interpret here. Whoop. So there's the page. Oh, cute. It's beautiful. I keep saying that, but it really is. And then we have the swords. So let's take a look here. The backgrounds are so fun. They feel good in the hand. They don't stick. Awesome. Okay, so let's just see how it shuffles. I'm in love with this card back, by the way. They shuffle just fine. They're a really good size. I don't really have any complaints. I saw some diversity. I really feel like if you're looking for a less expensive deck, a more inexpensive deck, this would be a great one for you if this is something that you're drawn to, of course. Let's see, is there a card that's going to fall out? That wants to get red. There we go. Okay, so we do have a major and a minor. Let's just take a look at both. So that way we can see how they both read in the guidebook. So we have 7 of Wands, which say, I actively hold true to my values. And then the Moon, which says, my intuition guides me to the right decision. So let's take a look first at the 7 of Wands. And it has the crystal, which is the garnet. And the meaning says, the 7 of Wands signifies a challenge. You may need to fend off a barrage of upcoming demands and requests, or feel you must otherwise actively defend your position. The message is that you be crystal clear about your beliefs and intentions and communicate them precisely so you cannot be misunderstood. Then the situation will not get out of control. Be clear about your boundaries in advance so those concerned know exactly where they stand. An additional meaning is representing a cause you feel passionate about and speaking up in defense for it. The power message is, I actively hold true to my values. Perfect. And then we have the Moon. And it looks like there's a little bit more extra here. 2 moonstone pillars glow pearlescent under an indigo sky. 2 carp fish remain largely underwater, symbols of things yet to surface. Their tails are wrapped around the stones as if guarding the way ahead. Stepping stones appear to lead to a distant place, suggesting unknown outcomes. The infinity symbol above the horizon denotes the cycle of life and eternal change. Very cool that it gives you the meanings of the symbols there, the picture. And the meaning of the card says, the moon reveals that there is a decision to be made, but you cannot yet see the full picture. You may have doubts about a relationship or other situation that is unclear. There may be buried issues that need to surface, so this is a card of sensitivity and emotion. The moon also indicates psychic ability, dreams, intuition, and the subconscious. The crystal. Rainbow moonstone is associated with the crown chakra for spiritual connection. It is believed to enhance perspective and intuition, so you are guided toward the right decision. Moonstone can help you see your strengths and gifts so you believe in yourself. When you need guidance, hold the card and look to the rainbow moonstone, feeling the crystal's magical energy. The power message, my intuition guides me to the right decision. So, which is interesting because my ring is also moonstone today. So just saying. All right, guys, this is a pretty decent book here. You're getting spreads, you're getting information, you're getting perspective of the cards, the reasons why they made the cards the way that they are. Information about those crystals that will help you. You have affirmations for those of you who love affirmations. It is a great price point. I'm just going to say it. It's beautifully done. It's beautifully rendered. The packaging is great. It's not going to fall apart on you. The cards are thin, but again, the price point. So if you're buying it for $15.99 or for the retail price of $18.95, it is a decent price tag for all of the information that you're getting, the spreads, the beautiful art. I mean, again, for a beginner, it might be more difficult for the minor arcana to make sense, but the guidebook's going to guide you in the right direction. So if you're drawn to this, then I suggest picking it up. I really don't have anything negative other than there's not much going on in the minor to use your intuition with. Sometimes the way that they make the wands or the implements might suggest something for your intuition, but either way, it's a beautiful deck that is worth the price point, especially if you can get it cheaper. I mean, I'm all for the cheaper. So I would love to know if you already own this deck, if you use it, and how do you use it? Do you use it on a daily? That sort of a thing. If you are drawn to this deck, let me know why. What's drawing you to it? Is it the crystal addition? Is it the affirmation? Is it the art? I think I'm going to be definitely trying to use this a lot more, just specifically for the crystal connection here. And yeah, I would love to know if this is something that you are drawn to. I'm always interested to know your opinions on the decks because everybody's tastes are so different that it's so much fun to discuss. So let me know down in the comments. As well as don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell because that way you'll never miss an upload from me. And I have a lot more coming. I have decks upon decks that I have yet to get through. So just know that if you have not seen it, seen a deck that you are interested in yet, it might be coming. And if there is a deck that I have not yet reviewed or unboxed or flip through, sure, on my channel, let me know down in the comment section which one you would like to see. Again, I'm working my way through the requests as well, so just know that some are ordered, some will be getting here, and some other pricey decks we might have to wait for a little bit. But yeah, let me know down in the comments if there is a specific deck you would love to see. I do have a lot of pre-orders on their way as well, so you best believe that they're coming. So as always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here and having fun with me. I enjoy you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.